How to log into Comerica Bank account. Hello guys, this is Atticus and welcome back to another tutorial video. In today's video, I'll teach you guys how you can log into Comerica Bank account. So without any further ado, let's dive right into it. First step, open up your web browser and search for Comerica Bank. After you search for that, you'll find its official website. You can head over there, that is comerica.com. After you're here to log into your account, simply tap on the login button on the top right corner. After you tap on that, this pop-up section will open up where you can enter out your user ID and then finally your password. Type in the password right here and then tap on login. After you do that, you'll get logged into your account. And that's basically all for today's video. Thanks for watching, stay tuned for more, and bye-bye.